Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile from your computer, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram posts on PC using the latest update. The process is simple, quick, and can help you manage your online presence with just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on the icon labeled Menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your Instagram activity. Next, find and select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on the platform, from posts to comments and more. In the Your Activity area, look for the Photos and Videos section. Under this, you'll see an option called Posts. Click on it to view all the posts you've shared on your profile. Now, it's time to choose which posts you want to remove. Click on the Select button and you'll notice checkboxes appear next to each of your posts. Go ahead and select all the posts you want to delete. You can pick just a few or select multiple posts at once if you're doing a big cleanup. Once you've made your selections, look for the Delete option. Click on it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to make sure you're not deleting something by mistake. If you're sure, confirm the deletion, and your selected post will be permanently removed from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram posts on PC using the new update. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to manage their content quickly and efficiently, all from the comfort of a desktop browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Instagram feed.